So hey, what's up mga kabasketballer? This is the second quarter mga kabasketballers. So syempre nahihirapan pa din ang punong mga kabasketballers na makascore dahil sa depensa ng San Isidro Tigers mga kabasketballers. At syempre yung captain ball din ng San Isidro Tigers na si Dayot mga kabasketballers, pinapahirapan niya ang mapunong players mga kabasketballers. Kaya naman namamaga talaga ang tambak mga kabasketballers. Kaya naman paki-like, share, and subscribe mga kabasketballer para updated kayo sa mga bagong highlights natin mga kabasketballers. Salamat mga kabasketballers.
Almelor, correct foul number 1 and outside.
So dito mga kabasketballers, Sala to Alvarez connection mga kabasketballers. Unang score ni Alvarez sa second quarter mga kabasketballers.
15 to shoot. Pass in the middle, Dagor. Pass to the wrong person, to Busina. Busina drive. Dagor. Dibawa kay Almelor. So Dayot, the captain goal of San Isidro against Busina. Pass to Almelor. Almelor in the middle, drive. Yes. 15 to shoot. Pass to Vale, first, David. Almelor, pass to Sala. Throwing the ball, pass to Busina. Nakapin na ang Pano. Back to Sala. To Vale, back to Sala. Almost intercepted. Bili na eh. Good shot. Number 20, Sala. Pass against the captain of Purong. 15 to shoot. Basic pass by Elisha. To Busina. To Alvarez in the middle. Five, yes. Pass to Elisha. 21, na. First throw, Bukang. Barangay, San Isidro. Second throw is leverage out. Hindi pa by Busina. Busina, lumpas to Sala. Sala, naman si Sala. Yes! Or against Sala. Pass to Bukang. To the wrong person. Nangirong. To Sala. Ball position. Bagay pass to Sala. Sala, back to Sala. 10 to shoot. 5 to shoot. 10. Santa Cruz. So Busina. Busina. Have the rainbow. Go short. Against Vale. To Alvarez. I mean Almelor. Intercepted to Busina. Sala pass to Valde. 15 to shoot. Pass to the wrong person. So Calapre all alone. No good. Put down with a captain now. Yes. Against Calapre. Pass to Busina. All the ball to Alvarez. 15 to shoot. To Sala on the rainbow. 3-point Sala. Now Calapre in the middle, pass to wide open, number 4, yes. So Busina in the middle, drive, no good. So Calapre again, pass to Almelor, wide open Almelor, is in the glass, yes. Shoot. Kita kepesahan si Sala, pass to Alvarez, Almelor. 15 to shoot. Pass to Sala. 3 seconds violation. So Sala, pass to the middle. Nice pass. Almelor, pass to Dayot. Yes. So Busina. Zigzagging pass to Andres, block. Carvalho again to Sala. Play to shoot. Pass to Piscina. Pass to shoot. Pass. Good. Now Sala. Play to shoot. Pass to Piscina. No good again. Now Sayed. Look pass to Almilor. Almilor all alone. Yes. Bard. No good. Bigay ba ang Piscina? Putok. No good again. Piscina again. There's the ball. Ang nahibiling oras for the second period. Second row is inside. Wala, pag-real boy. Intercepted, awaday. That's 14 seconds. 0-0. 8 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time!